Did you know that the UK is home to over 600 species of birds, including some of the rarest and most endangered species in the world? From the majestic golden eagle to the tiny goldcrest, the UK's diverse landscapes support an incredible array of bird life, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. 1. The Isles of Scilly. Located off the coast of Cornwall, the Isles of Scilly are a haven for birdwatchers. This archipelago of 5 islands is home to a wide range of species, including the rare and endangered Cornish chough. The island's unique location, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the English Channel, makes it an ideal spot for spotting migratory birds. With its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant bird life, the Isles of Scilly are a must-visit destination for any bird enthusiast. 2. The Cairngorms National Park. Located in the heart of Scotland, the Cairngorms National Park is one of the most beautiful and diverse landscapes in the UK. This vast wilderness area is home to ancient forests, heather-covered moors, and the highest mountain range in the UK. The park is a haven for birdwatchers, with species such as the capercaillie, the Scottish crossbill, and the golden eagle calling it home. With its stunning scenery and incredible bird life, the Cairngorms National Park is a must-visit destination for any nature lover. 3. The Somerset Levels. Located in southwest England, the Somerset Levels are a unique and fascinating landscape that is home to a wide range of bird species. This vast wetland area is a haven for birds such as the marsh harrier, the Montagu's harrier, and the Eurasian bittern. The Somerset Levels are also an important stopover point for migratory birds, making it an ideal spot for spotting rare and unusual species. With its stunning scenery and incredible bird life, the Somerset Levels are a must-visit destination for any bird enthusiast. 4. The Farne Islands. Located off the coast of Northumberland, the Farne Islands are a haven for seabirds. This archipelago of 28 islands is home to over 100,000 pairs of puffins, as well as other species such as the guillemot, the razorbill, and the Arctic tern. The Farne Islands are also an important breeding ground for grey seals, making it a unique and fascinating destination for nature lovers. With its stunning scenery and incredible wildlife, the Farne Islands are a must-visit destination for any bird enthusiast. 5. The New Forest. Located in southern England, the New Forest is a unique and fascinating landscape that is home to a wide range of bird species. This ancient woodland area is a haven for birds such as the woodlark, the Dartford warbler, and the honey buzzard. The New Forest is also an important stopover point for migratory birds, making it an ideal spot for spotting rare and unusual species. With its stunning scenery and incredible bird life, the New Forest is a must-visit destination for any nature lover. Thanks for watching our video on the best bird watching spots in the UK. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more bird watching content. Check out the link in our description to learn more about the best bird watching spots in the UK and to get your hands on some amazing bird watching gear. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Happy birding!